Okay, good. So let's move on to the next segment, which is called the 12 things that are most important to dentists. Now, this is, in my opinion, one of the key pieces of the workshop. And this is probably worth the price of your tuition alone. And once we go through the 12 things and we list them on the board and we spend a few minutes discussing them, we're going to do a little exercise where each one of you will write down maybe 1 or 2 or 3 of the 12 areas that your product or service fits into. It's really important that you identify that because you'll be a lot more effective as far as your sales approach if you're able to do that. So let's go into them quickly and then we'll spend some time with the exercise. The first one we're going to discuss is increasing the practice gross from last year, from the previous year. Okay? And that may sound a little interesting to you, and it is actually interesting because we all know in the room that just because they increase their gross doesn't necessarily mean that they're more profitable as a practice. However, it is important because how dentists really identify one of the key numbers that they are aware of is how much their practice is doing. And it's a psychological thing, but if the practice happens to be down from the same time last year, they think they're not doing as well, even though they may be more profitable. So the key is, if you have a product or a service that actually can help them increase, of course, their productivity, increase their gross, and actually speak to them about where they were last year as compared to this year, and have a solution to kind of overturn that down cycle, so to speak, then you're in pretty good shape. Okay, so anything that increases the gross. Now, one of the other ones we're going to talk about is the concept of saving time. And saving time is very valuable because time is dentist's most precious commodity.